Ready? Hey guys, we're NAYVA. I'm Angel.
I'm Faith.
I'm Esme.
I'm Jasmine.
And NAYVA is a new show on YouTube about beauty and fashion and
expressing yourself.
We just wrapped on our second episode with Converse and we DIY'd our own.
Hey.
We used the customization tool to customize our Converse as our base, and then we all went on our separate hustles and DIY'd. We have some questions from the NAYVA Hood, our subscribers. First question, we got this from a lot of people, is what inspires our looks?
What usually inspires me to DIY my own stuff is there'll be something on the article of clothing or shoe that's missing that I feel like would make the shoe 10 times better, so I thought, why not add it?
When I'm going to customize something or DIY, there's like a stain on a piece of clothing, so I'll start like stitch work over it, or I'll sew other materials, patchwork.
Sometimes I just get an idea in my head and I want to see it come to life, and if it doesn't exist already, you kind of have to do it yourself.
I'll just start adding colors, rhinestones, anything that is just like an element of me.
We have a question from Anush.hkk. She wants to know, do we have any tips for someone who's trying to do DIY and customization, but they're on a low budget?
Household items. You can use stuff from other pieces of clothing that you already have and add it to that piece.
Just getting random items from the dollar store.
Paint, you can just get acrylic paint, you could get clothing paint.
You can get nail paint.
Nail paint, you could use makeup. I used to do this when I was younger. If I had a stain on my shoe, I would like draw around the stain and make it into something.
Taking items you already have because they're already free. Any type of like arts and crafts things you have, you can make anything. Hardware store.
The haberdasheries.
Pet store.
What?
Yeah. We have another question from Sabrina.m4v, and it is, what is the first thing that you grab when customizing? Even when I'm getting a shoe like a Converse that has like some space right here, I'm grabbing a pen.
I feel like when you first look at a shoe, you look at the laces because it's like the main part of the shoe almost. If you change your laces up, that's the first thing someone's gonna notice.
I've never seen lights on Converse before, so that's something I really wanted to bring to life. As well as Angel, I would just grab a pen or marker and start writing on the gum and sole of the shoe.
I remember at school I used to get my friends to sign and write at the toe.
Yeah, my friend would be like, signing all across Jake was here. Yeah. So I'd be like, oh my god, Jake was here? What the hell? I remember I made like those cherry earrings, and so then I remember taking off the part and then I just hooked the little cherries into the laces so they could hang off the side. Cute. Last but not least, we have a question from Ajuka Music, and they want to know what they should do to their old dirty white shoes they're peeling off.
You can spray paint the shoe, you can dip it in paint, you can color it, there's a lot of things you can do.
Oh, it could look so sick if you like patchworked onto it. Like you cut up material of your old clothes or something and stitched it on where it's
or even putting actual patches onto the parts that are peeling to hold it together. I need to make some more shoes. I really want to make some more.
Send them to us and we'll fix it up for you and send them back. There's so many ideas.
Thank you so much to the neighborhood for sending us questions. It was so good to hear from you guys. It was really cool to show you guys about us, our style, and how we like to customize different pieces.
Big thank you to Converse for this opportunity. It's been incredible, and thank you guys back home watching.
We love you.